Stormwater is water from rain and snow events that runs over the ground surface and into drainage ditches and pipes. When precipitation falls on undeveloped natural land, as this forest, most of it soaks into the forest soil rather than just directly running into streams and lakes. In this way, water becomes clearer before it enters the stream, lake, bayou, or sea. It travels slowly through the ground, through the soil to the streams all year. This trickling of groundwater into streams is called base flow. Groundwater trickling into the stream in the summer cools them since earth is cooler than air. Cool water is healthier for water creatures. Now let's talk about developed land, which means land that's not natural, like forest, but has roads and buildings and people on it. Precipitation hits the hard surface of the developed land like a building roof, a paved road, a sidewalk, or a parking lot. This includes land which has its soil layer stripped of its trees, or it's compacted to a harder, less absorbing, less permeable surface. Stormwater runs more quickly on hard developed land surfaces and more directly into streams, lakes, and rivers. This stormwater doesn't have a chance to soak into the earth below the hard surface and prevent stormwater into becoming healthier groundwater. In the natural scheme of things, trees and plants absorb rainwater and let it evaporate back into the air. Roots help the water and use it to grow. In doing so, they transpire it back in the air. Undeveloped land, like a forest, has a lot more natural vegetation, so more rainwater is captured and released back into the air. Developed land has fewer trees and plants, so more rainwater is turned into stormwater. There may be a lot more stormwater on the hard surface of the developed land, which can cause flash floods. The cities have to control this and manage the level of the stormwater. They have to install roadside ditches, culverts, catch basins, and stormwater pipes to capture and carry the storm water runoff. And they also must build expensive structures like detention ponds to store the excessive stormwater. All these ditches, ponds, and detention ponds make up the Municipal Separate Storm Sewer System, or MS4, and stormwater management,